Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this week I want to share with you how to crochet a daisy bag charm / pouch. You can use it to keep small essentials. And I'm using these 3 yarns, and my crochet hook is 4mm, scissors, darning needle. These are the materials that you need for this project. Do not forget to give my video a big thumbs up. Thank you. Now I'm going to start with a slip knot. For round 1, slip knot and chain 4. So I'm using this chain 4 instead of a magic circle, but if you prefer a magic circle, you can go ahead and do a magic circle. So now into the first stitch, and I chain 4 into the first stitch. I'm going into the first stitch and I'm going to be doing 14 double crochets. So the first chain 4 counts as 1 double crochet, so plus 14 double crochet, and there we are going to have 15 double crochets at the end. So this is a great alternative to a magic circle. So I'm just going to continue and meet you at the end. Now I'm at the end, and it's very important for you to make sure that your stitch is complete. You should have 15 double crochets at the end of this. Now I'm going to slip stitch and turn around and close the ring. I'm going to chain 1, fasten off and cut off this yarn. For the next round, I'm using this color, and I'm going to do a slip knot on the hook and find the first stitch where I slip stitch, and into that I'm going to start with a chain 3. The chain 3 counts as the first double crochet, and into that same stitch I'm going to work another 1 double crochet into that stitch. So into every stitch we're going to work a double crochet increase, and a double crochet increase is 2 double crochet in 1 stitch, 2 double crochet in 1 stitch. So into the next stitch I'm going to work 2 double crochet, so that's a double crochet increase. So at the end we should have a total of 30 stitches, and I'm going to meet you at the end. Into every stitch you do 2 double crochets. Now I'm going to slip stitch for the second round into the third chain, and for the next round I'm going to find the next stitch right there, right next to where I slip stitch. Find the next stitch and start with 1/2 double crochet. Into the next stitch, a double crochet increase, that is 2 double crochet into 1 stitch. That's a double crochet increase. Into the next stitch, a triple crochet increase, that is 2 triple crochet into 1 stitch. And now I'm going to repeat 1 more triple crochet into that stitch, and there we have the 1 triple crochet increase. Next, the next stitch is a double crochet increase, then 1/2 double crochet into the next, then into the next stitch slip stitch. And this is the first round of the petal. This is the first petal. So now we're going to continue into the next stitch. Into the next stitch, 1/2 double crochet. Into the next, a double crochet increase. Into the next, a triple crochet increase. A double crochet increase into the next stitch. So we're just going to repeat it for 5 times. We'll have 5 petals. 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch, and into the next stitch a slip stitch. So you can just go ahead right now and just repeat what I did now 3 more times to have 5 petals. And if you get confused with the stitch, just check the written pattern on the screen. I'm going to meet you at the end. I'm going to slip stitch for the last petal, and we have 5 petals there. Now for the 4th round, continuing with the color, go into the 1st stitch and start with a single crochet into the next 1/2 double crochet. Now into the next 4 stitches, we're going to have a double crochet increase. So into the next 4 stitches, you're going to put 2 double crochet into each stitch. So that is a 4 double crochet increase. Into the next 4 stitches, you put 2 double crochet each. So now I have the 4 double crochet increase. The next stitch is going to be a 1/2 double crochet into the next 1 single crochet. Into the next stitch, you slip stitch, and this stitch might be hard to find because this is the slip stitch from the previous row, so it's quite hard to see, but it's right there. You slip stitch on the top of the last slip stitch from the other row, from the previous round. So we're going to start again with single crochet, 1/2 double crochet, 4 double crochet increase, 1/2 double crochet, a single crochet, and a slip stitch. So we're just going to repeat this for 5 times. So once you slip stitch, you stand again with a single crochet and start again the whole stitch all around. So now I've come to the end. So I'm going to do now, instead of ending with a slip stitch, I'm just going to stop where I did. I'm going to stop on the single crochet stitch. I'm not going to complete the single crochet stitch. I'm going to insert the other color, and for the 5th round. So for the 4th round, we are not going to end with the slip stitch. We're just going to end with the single crochet and insert another new color through the single crochet stitch, and in between single crochet, I'm going to the 2nd round and pull up that loop and do a single crochet. So that is a long single crochet. Skip 1, go into the next stitch, 1 single crochet, and into the next 8 stitches, I'm going to work a single crochet increase. That is 2 single crochet into each stitch. 8 stitches, I'm going to work a single crochet increase into 8 stitches. Doing my last single crochet increase for this row, and this is the 8th one. So we have 16 single crochets increase. I'm going to single crochet, skip 1. I'm not going to go there. Right below the one I skipped, I'm going to the second chain, the second round, and do a single crochet. I'm going to skip one and go into the next and do a single crochet, and 8 single crochet, increase, 1 single crochet, skip 1. So we're just repeating skip 1 in the beginning with a single crochet and ending it with a single crochet, skip again at the end. We're just going to repeat this for 5 times. I hope this is clear. Now I'm at the end. So instead of doing 1 single crochet, I'm just going to do a slip stitch to end this round. I'm going to chain 7, and do a slip stitch right on top of the single crochet in between stitch, the in between single crochet. I'll do a slip stitch right there, chain 1 and fasten off. So now I'm done with this panel, and for the other panel, the back panel, what you're going to do differently is just chain 50, and then you can say I just switch the colors, and it's time to sew these 2 panels together. So for the other one, you're just going to chain 50, and for the one I showed you now is just chain 7. So I'm going to use a darning needle. You can always use a crochet hook and do a single crochet stitch or a slip stitch to join, but I'm going to use a darning needle, and I'm not going to start right on top. I'm going to count 5 stitches on both sides and start there and start to sew in from there. And we're going to do the same thing for the other side as well. So the pouch will not be entirely closed up. So we're just going to count 5 stitches before we start sewing, and 5 stitches we're going to stop on the other side. So we're going to stop there on the other side, 5 stitches before, and then we're done for sewing. And I'm at the end of this video already. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And leave a comment in the comment section if there is anything on a suggestion that you would like to share with me. Thank you, and see you in the next one.